Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up Shop app and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so you're going to go to your accounts tab here on your bottom right. There's an accounts tab. So simply click on accounts. When you click on accounts, and you will see here there's a settings option on your top. Simply go to settings. So when you click on settings, and under settings you will see payment methods. So what you have to do is click on payment methods, and then this will list out your payment methods. And if you want to add a payment method, simply click on the plus icon here on your top right. Simply click on it, and then what you have to do now is add your payment methods. So in this case, if it's a card, so add your card details and everything. So once you have added everything, your card details, and also if your billing address associated with it, so once you're done with that, hit on save card, and that's it. Your card will be saved on your account for any future purchases. So that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.